yes, I know it's been a long time since I posted the first video of this channel, where I compare like 10 wheel cleaners, and I promised there that I show you my favorite wheel cleaner 2020, which is the Fanatic Professional Wheel Cleaning Foam. As the name suggests, it creates foam. That's why on the left I've got an IK Foam 9 sprayer, which is one of the methods you can use with this wheel cleaner. And on the right I've got two foam canyons, the MTM Hydro PF22, which is the best one, and I also find a black one. I like the black because since we are going to clean tires and wheels, I think a good choice is to have a black canyon. So, talking about sprayers, nowadays their prices have gone up in value, so I will also leave in the description, as always, an alternative from Sonax, which has best value. And if we talk about dilution ratios, it depends on if you use a foamer or a foam canyon. So with this, in these cases, I use it 1/16, for example, 250 milliliters or about 8 ounces of product with 4 liters of water or a gallon of water. And if you use a foam canyon, I usually, depends on the canyon, but I usually do 1 part of product, 3 parts of water. It's enough. Without forgetting that there's a new version which is even more concentrated and even more powerful. So if your wheels are not very dirty, you can apply it and rinse it like a couple of minutes after with your pressure washer. However, I've got here on the table 2 wheel brushes. Why? Because if your wheels are very dirty, you need to brush it a little bit, and especially if you've got glossy black wheels, I do not recommend the Easy Detail brushes, but a microfiber ones. You can use these two from Meguiar's, the large and the medium size. The large will be for the BMW and the medium size will be for the Mercedes, which has multi-spoke wheels. And if you don't find these ones, I leave you also, as always, in the description an alternative called the wheel wheelies, which are the most famous ones. In future videos I will do a review about some sprayers, pump sprayers, because for example this one has been modified with a valve, so you can charge it with an air compressor. And on the right I've got 2 foam canyons with the quarter plug. I also leave in the description some plugs for the cartridge adapters. Stay tuned in this channel, because now we are prepared to do a full detailing of a vehicle, so don't miss that one. In the next video, please subscribe, click on the bell, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.